Hey, guess what? It's time for another product unpacking and review. Today, I have something that's going to be fun. I'm actually going to try on this product once I get it unpacked and put on, and then I'm going to show y'all how to use it. All right, so let's see what's in here. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, click like, share any of these reviews, especially if you know anybody who is thinking about purchasing any of these products or who has purchased them. Yeah, so what we have here is called AnsTop waist trainer with a slimming support belt. Okay, so y'all about to get my workout on. Oh my goodness. All right, so this is it. Make sure after you subscribe that you click the notification bell so that anytime I do a new product review, you are the first to know about it, okay? So, wow, this is it. I'm gonna go and get this on and go up to my yoga mat, and we're gonna do about 20 exercises with this on and see what it did, okay? See, you know, how it fits, comfort level, maneuverability. We're gonna look at all those things, okay? So big shout out to the company who sent me this. They contacted me asking me to do the review. This is not a paid review, so you guys are gonna get my honest opinion on this product. Again, it's called the AnsTop waist trainer. I'll make sure I put the link to visit the site and a code, promo code, so that you can get a discount if you decide to get this shaper trainer, okay? So I'll be back. All right, let's do this. Now let's get our workout on. We're about to put it to the test. We're not just gonna try it on and see if it fits. We're gonna do some workout positions. I'm gonna do about 20 workout positions to see like how comfortable this is when doing workouts. So I'm gonna do a mixture of yoga and calisthenics. All right, so this is generally where I shoot my videos. So we're gonna start off with just some simple squats. I actually have a ball, but it's going down. So I'm gonna like still use it though. Look, it's old. Like I've had it forever, and I just haven't pumped it up. I guess maybe I should pump it up. Be right back. Okay, so I couldn't find the pump for my workout ball, so I'm just gonna use a chair from downstairs. All right, so I'm gonna start off with just a few squats, chair squats, and we'll see how this holds up. All right. I need some music. Also, I think I need to adjust these. I don't think they're high enough. They're a little loose down here. Let's readjust these. Thick thighs save lives. So yeah, it's a little loose here, so I don't think I put it on properly initially. I definitely feel the difference now that I moved it up. It does save lives. Yes, yes. Oh yeah, I actually feel the difference. So I probably need to tighten this up now too, since I've tightened it up around my thighs. Y'all, I can definitely feel the difference in how this fits. Very like the material, it's soft. The adjustments don't really get in the way of your workout, which is good. Yeah, and even if it did, you can easily shift it so that it fits better. Let me give me some workout music going. Otherwise, working out gets real boring. All right, we'll see. All right. Okay, I gotta switch up my playlist because, you know, getting a little tired. I forgot to put my favorite playlist on. Workout mix. All right, so the workout mix is actually on my YouTube channel. Just go to my playlist and go to my workout mix and you'll see what I like to listen to when I'm working out. I'll also put the link below in the description box. All done. Okay, so thank you for checking out this product unboxing and review / mini workout session. I can say I'll definitely be using this. I felt an increase in my core temperature during this short workout. So I definitely think this is something that you want to try. So you go ahead and click the link in the bio. Check it out, get you one, get your workout in. Check it out, get you one, get your workout in. And expect to see results, because I could see wearing this regularly during any type of core or calisthenics or even yoga. It definitely can help trim in areas that you want to trim in. Other than it moving a little bit when I was more active, I definitely like this product, and I'm looking forward to seeing what results I get after using it for about 6 to 8 weeks. Okay, so expect another review in 6 to 8 weeks of me using it regularly. All right, make sure you click like, subscribe, hit the bell so that you know, and select all. Click the bell, select all, so that you know anytime I do new product reviews. And until then, take care. All right, so really quick, I wanted to add a little bit of information to this video. Something that I didn't think about until after I'd taken it off and done my workout. Whenever you get ready to adjust the leg straps, if you have legs that are shaped similar to mine, where they are larger at the top and then go in like that, you want to make sure the strap that is closest to your knee is the tightest. That way you don't get that sliding. So I have to get used to it because it's my first time. So like this being the first one, matter of fact, I'm going to show you guys on my leg real quick. All right, so what that looks like, and I'm not going to put it completely on. I'm just going to take my fanny pack off. I'm going to just show you guys real quick this way. So put it on. Okay. So when you put it on, like I said, if your leg is smaller here and then gets larger, you're going to want to put the straps that are closest to your knee tighter. So you're going to make that one the tightest, right? And then this one might be a little looser. And then that one a little looser. All right. And that will prevent some of like the sliding that you guys saw while I was doing my workout. All right. So that's it. Again, make sure you click subscribe, like this video. The link below to purchase this particular product is there, plus the promo code. So make sure you take advantage of this nice trainer, okay? All right, take care. Bye.